A very wonderful good morning to all. Today I am discussing about does coins sound more than notes. So it is true. Coins produce a sound, but note do not know. Because notes we can keep much notes, but they are always silent. And the notes we not keep much because they always create the sound. So same thing is pupils those people do not have any talent and any ability, so they try to again and again, but those people have not talent and have talent and knowledge, much knowledge, so they always show up in front of society. So same thing is human nature. There are two people in society. One people have much knowledge, much money, much talent, much ability. So these people don't show up in front of society, and those people don't want to famous, but those people have not ability, have not much knowledge, have less knowledge, so they want to famous in front of people because these people think that I have much knowledge, I have much money, so they always show up in front of people. And same thing is one thing is Gandhiji and APJ Abdul Kalam compared to. Gandhiji enjoy the full life with money, with everything, but APJ Abdul Kalam, they run life in poverty, with poverty, but they have much knowledge, they have everything, so they do not want to famous of India, so they already famous, but Gandhiji have want to famous, so they wear in previous time Gandhiji enjoy the full life, so they wear the pant coat, full enjoy life, but after some time they want to famous, so they leave the pant coat, they wear the dhoti kurta, and they leave the slippers, so they run our life, so they want to famous, but APJ Abdul Kalam don't want to famous, they already famous. So we can say that people have much knowledge and have much money, so they show up in front of people, but those people have not much knowledge, have not much money, so they try to hard work, they do hard work regularly, so they already famous, but always and same thing is one people have poor and one people rich, so rich people's always show up in front of people and power, show up of power, and with they show up of power to richest to poor person, but poor person have do hard work regularly, so they have one car, they have another thing, so they don't focusing on front of people because they think that I have do hard work, I have to hard work again and again, so I have much money and I have a lot of anything, so they don't shopping on in front of people. So I can say that knowledge, I can say that life is one types of coins and notes, because coins always produce the sound, but notes are always silent because they have value, they have much ability, so people keep the notes, don't keep the coins, because coins we keep the much coins, so coins always create the sound that another people know that I have much coins, but notes they do not always sound, they always silent, so that's it. Every person don't know, we always famous, already famous, because we have knowledge, we have ability, we have valuable. So human life, we can learn many more things in our life, like coins to notes. So we can say that every person don't show up in anything, because I know that you have much knowledge, you have much ability, personality, many more things, but you don't show up in. because if you will swapping another people, so always know you have not much knowledge and you have not, but you want to famous already. Thank you.